When your dishwasher is not draining, it can be quite worrying, especially when it starts displaying errors. Hi there, I'm Solomon, and this is eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. We are going to talk about what to do when you encounter the Siemens Dishwasher E61-03 error. You will likely see it lit up alternately on the display screen. You might also note some standing water in the dishwasher. In short, this error points to a blocked wastewater hose, also known as a drain hose. This could either be due to the hose itself being kinked or pinched in a certain place, or because debris and grease got inside, blocking off the water flow. Let's talk about how you can resolve this Siemens dishwasher error. So first of all, we need to do some checks. We need to make sure that the dishwasher drain hose isn't too low and is positioned higher than the outlet to the sink. And secondly, we want to make sure there's a natural bend in the drain hose that goes into the standpipe. This is to ensure no debris or grease goes back into the machine. Once you position the hose correctly, make sure it's not kinked or bent. If after these checks the dishwasher E61-03 error code isn't going away, then we'll need to break out the Unblock tool. Before you start, make sure the appliance is switched off so that the pump won't activate while you're cleaning. To start the cleaning process, first unscrew your drain hose from its position in the sink or in the drain, if that's where it's located, and pull it out fully. Prepare a bowl or a bucket to catch any waste that will come out. We then need to take our Unblock tool, which can be a garden cane or an unravelled hanger, as you can see here. We want to push it down the hose, like so, up and down, just so we can dislodge any grease or debris that may have got stuck inside. When you feel you have unblocked it, position the dishwasher drain hose inside the bowl or bucket, then head back to your appliance and switch it on. At this point, water should flow through the hose and the excess waste will drain. Once you have free flowing water, you can switch off your dishwasher, reconnect the hose back to the sink again. Then switch the dishwasher back on. The error code should no longer be there. If your hose is positioned down the standpipe, you have to make sure it's not too far down, so that the end isn't blocked off. Following these steps, your Siemens dishwasher should be as good as new. Remember to regularly check up on your drain hose and its position to make sure you don't encounter this error again. If you experience any other dishwasher error codes, check out our playlist below. For other maintenance videos and repair guides, be sure to subscribe to the eSpares channel. Thanks for watching.